Uh-oh. The world changed, and now you've been tasked with making videos for your corporate AV wizard. We noticed you've been struggling. So, we're happy to present to you Hey buddy, did somebody ask you to hold the camera that way? Uh-oh, better put it in landscape. This is too close. Too far. That looks pretty good. We're looking for a distance of about 3 to 4 feet. Too high, too low. You're gonna wanna skip handheld. And why is he breathing so hard? You're going to want the lens at eye level. No tripod? No problem. Use some books or ancient manuscripts. Is this good?
No.
How does this overhead lighting make me look?
No.
Best practice, position yourself in front of a window. Not like this. Let the sun do all the work.
What are you doing?
I thought I might spice it up a little
Bad
bit.
idea.
You never do my ideas!
Why are you backed up against the wall?
Ideally, there's distance in front and behind you. So that way, it feels less cramped. Don't wear something you feel like you'll regret in 6 months. What? As always, we recommend going with the professionals wherever possible. But sometimes, those professionals are just out of reach. These 7 tips should help. I'm Cameron Danger Strittmatter, signing off.